Senior Humanities. Here is the plan for Monday, April 20th. All right, so first do the due now assignment, April 20th due now assignment. It's due before 2. I'd like you to do that so I can have accurate attendance and give you some easy points. Second, and it's available now, complete the Unit 9 Economic Systems test. You'll find that in the assessments folder, and that is due on Wednesday. If you have any questions on it, just ask, but it's open notes. If you'd like me to grade section 4 first before you start it, that's great. But you can begin it and shut her down and start back up again. And you do get 2 attempts, but do wait for me to grade your first attempt before you do your second. And that's about all I got for you. So you've got the test, and that's due on Wednesday. And also one reminder, there is no school this Friday, which is exciting. Have a great day. If you need anything, please let me know.